5:34 a.m. I was about to start my day, but she lay there across me, so I stayed anyway. Arms tight, legs numb, wrapped around my knee. Sweetest of the sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. I don't recall what you were wearing on the first night we met, besides a subtle cloud around you from my last cigarette. And you come from a good place with a happy family. The only bad you've ever done was to see the good in me. But I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord willing sends you out my way. I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of the sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. And I remember being younger and my mother told me true.
I can't vow that I won't break any more bones or any more garden hoses. I can't vow I won't break any more curtains or garage doors. I definitely won't vow to help you break your chocolate habit. I can't vow that I won't watch while you break your back moving my plants, or that we won't break the bank buying more plants. What I will vow is that I always stand by your side as your partner in crime while we break tradition and break the rules. I vow to always make you break into laughter and help you break out of your shell. I vow to never stop waking up at the break of dawn to go on adventures. I vow to break the ice in hard times and never break my word. I vow to break your fall when things get too hard to handle on your own. I vow to always break a sweat in the pursuit of our dreams. I vow to never let anything break us apart. Today I give you my heart and vow to love every step of the way in our lives together. I knew from the very beginning my future included you. What I failed to know that time was how many plants there would be. You make me laugh, you make me happy, you make me feel alive. I will laugh with you, cry with you, I will adventure with you. I will be your rock, your best friend, your husband. Together we can do anything. Jane, I give you my heart, I love
you. Someday, make it there, I swear, to that place that haunts my dreams at night. Singing heavenly highway hymns all the way up to that beautiful old countryside. Someday, find the words to explain all the good times that echo through my mind. You'll grin in the mornings, a warm southern sun, or seeing double when those chemicals align. Just some kids who needed love, using laughter as their drug, doing their best to toe that hard line.
Adam, we're so happy and lucky that we officially get to call you our brother-in-law. We've always wanted a brother to help balance us all out. Even though you've been treating and looking out for us like a brother would for a few years now, we just want to say thank you for being you and being the perfect and patient man for our sister. Together you guys will crush waves, climb mountains, and replace a lot of dishwashing.
I'm so proud to be up here with you and going through this time with you. For me, you've always been the first out there setting an example of how to live life right. How to work hard, how to be there for people when they really need you, how to take on the challenges, and now how to build a life and build a family.
When the decision was made for Dana to move to Vernon, Adam's place morphed from a house into their home. Today we're here to celebrate the logical conclusion to the journey they have been on.
To all raise our glasses to two incredible individuals who are exceptional.
For the first time in so many years.
Both entirely committed and dedicated to one another.
Yes.
Excuse me. I think they are perfect life partners for one another.
Yes.
And I, excuse me, have no doubts about that in my mind.
After all of this time, that someday was always just right here. Today, I'll hold my head up high, knowing someday has been here the whole damn time. There's a sunset setting, I ain't forgetting the blood that made my heart warm. Today, I found what I was searching for. Someday, I will send you a postcard from the place that I'm smiling tonight. I sang heavenly highway hymns all the way up to this beautiful warm countryside.